Alright, we're live on Facebook and I'm sitting with a girl, probably the only girl in the world जिसे मकड़ी से डर नहीं लगता होगा. Are you scared of spiders, Shweta?
Not at all.
Never, even as a kid.
No, not really. वो kid में ही तो मकड़ी हो गया था तो
तो कभी डर नहीं लगा.
कभी डर नहीं लगा.
अच्छा, how often do you get this question that अरे आप इतनी बड़ी हो गई, मतलब because people, all of us have literally like grown up with you. So do you get people who are like, no, but you can't be Shweta, till you're wearing the frock and wearing the.
I'll tell you the funniest that I have received, and it's also a good compliment जो एक fan से आया था. और ये कुछ 1-1.5 साल पहले हुआ था. I met somebody and he said, no, you're not the girl from Makri and Iqbal. And I was like, yeah, I am. He's like, but you grew up. And I'm like, yeah, I couldn't help it. And he's like, इसीलिए child actors को मार देना चाहिए.
What?
And I'm like, what? Yeah, I was like, what? He's like, yeah, because I can't watch Makri again. Now every time I'll watch Makri, I'll think about you. You, Daniel Radcliffe, सब मर जानी चाहिए थी बचपन में. And I was like, okay.
Oh, wow.
And I don't know if I should take that as a compliment or do what. I quietly slipped away. I was like, okay.
That's the cue to slip away quietly. And Daniel, we are sorry, this must be happening to you. So is that the weirdest fan compliment you've got?
Absolutely, the weirdest.
Okay, so do you interact with a lot of fans on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and all that stuff?
I have a Facebook account for my friends. I am getting into Insta and Twitter now. I'm not on Snap.
So why have you not been there?
I'm just too lazy for social media.
Too lazy. This is your life, but would you want to say anything to all your fans out there?
Please follow me.
That's it. Handle तो बनाओ पहले.
बना रहे अभी ना. अब बना दिया है, so now please follow.
So
I'll be more active now.
Yeah, so we're gonna make her, sign up on Twitter, Insta, and Facebook like today, and then you can go and follow her. So first of all, let's talk about this short film that everybody is talking about. The name I got completely wrong. I came up to her and was like, oh, you're very good in Interior Night Cafe. He's like, no, it's Interior Cafe Night.
Yeah.
So how was it, and why did you choose to do it?
Interior Cafe Night is like a scene heading. When you write scenes, जब आप screenplay लिखते हो तो वो आप interior or exterior, cafe location and day or night. So it was Interior Cafe Night, as simple as that, and a story around it. Why we came up, why I did it was first and the most important reason is the director, Adhiraj Bose. So Adhiraj and I went to school together in RN Podar in Mumbai, and I've known him for 8 years now. He's my best friend. So we've grown up with this with this dream that someday he'll direct and I will act and we'll work on a project together. तो ये हमने 2 साल पहले ये बनाई थी फिल्म 2014 में. तो जब वो ये लिख रहे थे and then we just how good things happen fast. So it was one of those very spontaneous projects where we came together, we collaborated, mailed Nasir sir, called up Sharnaz ma'am, we met her at Prithvi Theatre and got things done, got the permissions and everything done. And
it's funny, like you spoke about Prithvi Theatre, and I have seen this. A lot of people sit at Prithvi Theatre thinking that they're going to become actors. Have you done that ever?
No.
Yeah,
I actually go to Prithvi Theatre to watch plays.
Yeah, but like you were an actress before you could say like A, B, C, D, right?
Yeah. No, technically no.
Technically no. But you've been receiving a lot of compliments and working with Naseeruddin Shah after such a long time and getting so many compliments. How does it feel?
Feels great. It's overwhelming. In fact, we have been on our phone for the past 4 days. The number of calls and the messages and the my Twitter and my Insta, my Facebook, the notifications are going crazy because everyone's tagging us and all of that. And it's really overwhelming because for us it was a cute little project जो हमने बनाया था. And it's all credit goes to Adhiraj for being a fantastic filmmaker and making such a beautiful story. So बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. It's my second chance. It's my second time working with Nasir uncle. So I worked with him in Iqbal 10 years ago. So I've been in touch with him on and off. But एक बार और काम करने का मौका मिला for an actor, it's such a huge compliment in itself. And then there's Sharnaz ma'am. It's a beautiful story. So I think it's all been a very overwhelming experience.
Did it treat you differently because he used to know you as a girl who used to come on sets and maybe ask for toffees, and now there's like a grown-up woman?
I never asked for toffees.
Never?
No.
How boring could you be?
No, we used to talk about sign languages. We were on Iqbal, talking about sign languages, and I remember I'm meeting him after Makri, in fact, in Vishalji's office. Yeah, so I've known him for a really long time. I never asked for toffee.
No, never?
No.
So what did you ask for when you were a kid?
I asked him for, I have very little memory of Iqbal because it's so long ago, but I remember having nice conversations with him. We used to talk about these books that he was reading and what should I read. And
Really? You were like a baby and you were talking about books that you read.
I was 14. Listen,
Yeah,
you
14
don't
is a
read
baby.
books?
No, I don't.
I was reading books since I was 8.
I read books. I read
How many
lot
have
of
you? Oh,
film
how many
magazines.
have you read this year?
What's
what's your book score?
This is not my interview. This is your interview.
Okay.
But the latest one I read was with the cover of Priyanka Chopra. So, anyways, this story, she'll look at her face. She's like, I'm disappointed. The story revolves around lost love coming together. How lucky have you been in love?
Oh, so I grew up a tomboy, okay? So in school, I used to beat up guys. Like, I used to have like either fights or I used to have either friends. So I never really had a crush in school.
Never.
Not really, Other than maybe Jay Sean. There was this whole Jay Sean phase that I
Really,
had.
you were a Jay Sean fan? Oh, look, she's blushing. Okay, move ahead.
Yeah, eyes on me.
Yeah.
So I think other than that, lucky in love. I don't know. I mean, I've had those heartbreaks when I was like, oh my god, he said take care and that is it, that's love. And then I was like, what? He's being a friend? So yeah,
I'm
there were
sorry.
those 18, 19-year-old. And then there was also this phase where I used to only read Mills and Boon. Between 17 and 18, I used to only
Yeah.
read Mills and Boon and I used to cry my eyes out reading it. But that's
When you grew up and you read 50 Shades of Grey and you were out.
No.
No, you never read that?
No.
Okay. So there are a lot of people, who really have been your fans since the time you were a kid. You've done television, you've done films, won awards as a child artist,
Yeah.
and not to Aisa Vaisa award, like the national award. How did you feel?
Okay, so I won the national award when I was 12. Believe it or not, I didn't know what was a national award. Okay, so because when you're a 12-year-old, आपके discussions जो होते हैं आपके cousins के साथ या school में, it's like what was that actress wearing at that film fair show or that IFA show or किसने किस पे dance किया.
Yeah.
That's your discussion. Nobody discusses national award at 12. So when I won it, I didn't know what was happening. All the news channels, all the newspapers had my name, and there were people sending me bouquets and chocolates at home. My parents had no celebration. They did not make it a big deal at all. In fact, my parents told me, they lied to me, that the children who work in movies are just awarded by government like that. I was like, oh, it's not a big deal. It's 2 years ago when all my friends told me, dude,
You
you won national award. And I'm like, yeah, sabko milta hai. They're like, no. And I realized my parents, just to keep me grounded, lied to me.
Well, that's a very good thing, maybe that's why you're still a great actress. Okay, now we're going to a fun activity. You're also getting questions. You can also send us your questions right away. It's live. Have you ever played Never Ever Have I?
No.
Okay, so this is the first time she's gonna play. हम आपके ऊपर questions फेंकेंगे, like literally we'll throw questions at you and you have to say you have or you haven't.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Never have I ever slept while watching a friend's movie.
I have.
Yeah, do you want to name the friend?
No.
No, okay.
I have.
And never ever have I kissed someone else while being in a relationship.
Oh, I have never.
Never?
Never.
Never have I ever dated my friend's brother.
No.
Never?
No.
Like had a crush on?
No. I've always had buddies. I've always had.
Yeah, and you were the beating
guy.
guys.
Yeah.
Never ever have I got drunk so much that I don't remember what happened next morning.
I have.
She's scared talking about it.
I have.
Never ever have been upset over a film review. That must have happened.
Upset over a film review? Not really. I think I have not.
Actually, nobody has ever given you a bad review.
I was not going to say that, but yeah, actually that's true.
Yeah, nobody. Okay, never ever have I gone to a set in High Spirit.
Oh, I have never.
Never.
Not on set.
Such a professional she is. Now we are getting questions for you. Sushmit Karagni says, when are you going to make a new film?
Make a new film. I have directed and produced this film called Roots. It's about the dying visibility of Indian classical music in youth, and that's something that's coming up next. It's a documentary film, and it has the interviews of A.R. Rahman, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Shubha Mutkal, L. Subramaniam. So that's coming up right next, and that is something that I have produced, conceptualized and directed. So that's right up next.
Do you sing?
I don't sing. I used to learn the sitar at one point.
Okay. Talking about your film, we've also heard that you've just wrapped up Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, right?
It's not wrapped up yet. Badrinath is going on, but I can't talk much about it right now.
Okay. So you can't talk about Varun and Alia and how was it working with them?
It's wonderful, but nothing more.
All right. So Sunil Sathe says, can you tell us something about your love for painting?
Oh, hi Sunil. How do you know I paint? You
I
follow
don't
me
know.
on Insta.
Stalkers.
Nice. So yes, I am a self-taught painter, not very good at all. But then I follow a lot of artists, and yes, I do sketch and paint once in a while. I need some kind of inspiration to write or paint, and it's only at times when I feel completely necessary to inspired of doing something, so I paint only then.
You do know that you need to come on Instagram like ASAP. Like we need to see those.
I
paintings.
am. People
What's
need to
your
start-
handle?
It's Shweta Basu Prasad 11.
Alright, so you can go and follow her and maybe she'll put pictures of her paintings. Mohammed Shahzad Salim says, if not an actress, what other profession would you like to be in?
Hi Mohammed, thank you so much for your question. That's an interesting one. If not an actress, well, I am a BMM graduate. I was making a documentary. I used to do a job with Phantom, in fact. And if not an actress, I think the second, other than acting, there's one thing that I love about filmmaking is producing. So definitely I would have been in production, maybe line producing or production in charge or something of that like that. If not into movies, I'd be a chef.
You'd be a chef, you know how to cook.
Yeah.
So what's your specialty? Please tell us.
मैं भेजा पकाती हूँ.
Bheja, arey, I think we are like Siamese twins or something like that because both of us can do that. So you want to be a producer, like grow up to be a producer?
Maybe. I mean, Interior Cafe Night I co-produced, and I don't know. Right now, I'm obviously only concentrating on my acting and my assignments on that. But yeah, it really fascinates me. I think creating content and actually being there and just producing something really excites me. And I've done it, so I think it's just that bug that's with me now.
Has anyone ever told you you're such a non-actress? You read, you want to produce, you read books, you make documentaries. Has anyone ever told you that?
No. What's a non-actress ever?
Yeah, like, I mean, the perception is that you'd probably be doing your hair and worrying about what you're wearing.
What makes you think I don't fuss about my hair and I don't fuss about what am I wearing?
You haven't fussed like,
Yeah.
like a single moment here.
Listen, I was like in the green room for like 15 minutes setting my one strand, okay? I do get fussy, but
Yeah,
I'm
it's-
still very much a girl who's fussy about what she's gonna wear and
Yeah.
how the hair is. Yeah.
So who was your last crush? Since you're like, you said that I'm like a girl.
My last crush.
Who would you want to star in a romantic film with?
You know, I don't know about the last crush, I don't even remember right now, but somebody I really want to work with is Dhanush. I mean,
Oh.
he's like my dream co-star at the moment because I've seen his both Hindi and Tamil movies. I've seen Adukulam and I've seen there's this another movie, I'm forgetting the name he's done, and I really respect that guy. I
Yeah.
really want to work with him.
Alright, so I don't think so he ever has to sing Why This Kola Vadidi to she's be like, yeah, right. Alright, so now we have Tanveer Khan saying, Shweta, hi, can you tell us about your future plans in Bollywood or Tollywood?
Okay, hi Jameel, thank you for your question. My future...
Tanveer.
Sorry, hi Tanveer, thank you for your question. Right now it's Badrinath Ki Dulhania. I'm also doing a TV show with Balaji called Chandragupta Maurya. In Tollywood, I just did a reality show called Super 2, and there are a lot of things in the pipeline, but as and when they happen, I'll let you know.
Well, I just have to say one thing, that please stay the way you are. Like, you know, an actress who reads, who makes documentaries and wants to be a producer is amazing. But thank you so much for being here with us. I really think that, you know, it's such a cool thing, an actress who reads.
Really?
Actress, yeah, I think.
For the record, my book score is 12
Your book score is 12.
this year.
Yeah, so mine is there. I mean, I've read a lot of books like, you know,
Yeah,
science,
you read like
physics,
five.
mathematics, Sport
Yeah.
Boy. Yeah. You guys can follow her on Instagram. This is bye-bye for now. And yeah, like, you want to tell anything to your fans before we go?
Oh, nothing. Just thank you so much for your love and support. Go watch Interior Cafe Night, like and share.
Yeah, and don't stalk her. She can beat you up.